Viewers, thank you for joining us in this class. Here we want to solve this integration, and we are integrating using partial fraction here. Now the integrand given here is x plus 3 divided by x plus 2 times x plus 5. Here now we resolve this integrand into a partial fraction first, and this is equivalent to, since we have repeated linear factor here, you can say this is a over x plus 2 then plus b over x plus 5. Here now we have a linear factor, then the numerator will be a constant, that is a degree lesser, and numerator here also a constant. So now from here we can solve this fraction on the right hand side, since we have the LCM now will give us the product of these two numbers, which is x plus 2 times x plus 5. And from there now we can say that x plus 2 goes here, remain x plus 5, just the number way of solving our fraction, remain x plus 5, then times a, that's a times x plus 5. Then same thing here, plus x plus 5 goes here, remain x plus 2, then times b, that's plus b times x plus 2. Then also is equivalent to what we have here, which is x plus 3 divided by x plus 2 times x plus 5. Now from here now we can see that our denominator here is equal to each other, and therefore our numerator should also be equal. We can now equate the numerator and say this is x plus 3 is equals to a times x plus 5 then plus b times x plus 2. And from there now we can solve for a and b. If we are solving for a first, here we can eliminate our b by putting x is equals to minus 2. So we can say put x equals to minus 2 in this equation here, so that we can eliminate b. It will be minus 2 plus 2, that will be 0, then b will be 0 there. So put minus 2 for x, everything here. We have minus 2 plus 3, here minus 2 plus 3, then equals to, here we put minus 2, and minus 2 plus 5 will be 3, it will be plus 3. So when we put minus 2 here now, we have 3 here left, then this one has become 0. Then we have minus 2 plus 3, that's 1, this is 1. 1 equals to 3a. And for us to get our a here, we say that a will now be equals to, divide both sides by 3. A will be equals to 1 over 3 here. And since we get a to be 1 over 3 now, we can get our b as well. And to get our b now, we eliminate a in this case. Let's put x equals to minus 5 here, because a will now become 0. So put s equals to minus 5. When you put s equals to minus 5, our equation becomes minus 5 plus 3 equals to a will be 0 now. We have minus 5 plus 2, that's minus 3. So b will now be, this side will now be minus 3b. So we have minus 3b left there. And from there now we can see that this is minus 5 plus 3, that's minus 2, equals to minus 3b. Then divide both sides by minus 3. Of course, our b will now be equals to minus 2 divided by minus 3, which is also equals to 2 over 3. So we've got a to be 1 over 3 and b to be 2 over 3. So we can now rewrite the partial fraction given. Again, we can rewrite our integrand again and say our integrand will now be our integrand, which is x plus 3 over x plus 2 times x plus 5. And now we're written again and say this is equals to a, we have 1 over 3, and we can write it as 1 divided by 3 times x plus 2 Then plus b, which is 2 over 3, that's 2 divided by 3 times x plus 5. So this is our integral now. So we now integrate what we have on the right hand side now. When you introduce integral sign now, so our integral 1 over 3 times x plus 2, then plus 2 over 3 times x plus 5 dx. We can also write it the same thing as, so when we take the constant out here from here, we have 1 over 3 can come out, and this will be, of course, we can have this as equals to integral, this imply 1 over 3 constant here, then integral remain 1 over x plus 2 here, then dx. We can separate this integral because we have plus, then plus 2 over 3 is also a constant here, take it out, 2 over 3, then integral 1 over x plus 5, then we have dx. Then when we see this, what we have here now, we have what is called, the derivative of our denominator will give us the numerator. When we differentiate the denominator here, the result is 1, which is our numerator. And same thing here, when we differentiate the denominator here, the result is the numerator, which is 1. So it's just simply ln. So ln our denominator here. So we can say this will now implies this will be equals to 1 over 3 ln x plus 2, then plus 2 over 3 ln x plus 5, then plus c. So that's the solution to the problem. We say thank you for joining us in the class, and if you are yet to subscribe, don't forget to also click on the subscription button, and see you in the next class. Bye for now.